The copy module in Python creates an object's copy so we can alter the copy while not touching the original object itself. The copy function performs a shallow copying operation on the object, and the deep copy function performs deep copying. And the exception that this module raises is this one. Let's perform shallow copying. This is list 1. This is a shallow copy of it. Now the value at index 1 in the element at index 1 is reassigned to 4. As you can see, this also affects the original object, list 1. And now a deep copy. This is list 1. List 2 is a deep copy of this. Now reassign value at index 1 in element at index 1. This does not affect list 1. It only alters the deep copy. A deep copy copies everything. It inserts copies of the original object's values into the new object. Enough with lists. Now let's try copying dictionaries. This is a dictionary. This is a shallow copy of it. If we append 7 to the value of key C, which is a list, we can do it. This changes the original dictionary dict1 as well. The shallow copy holds the same objects as does the original. So this is the dictionary again, and this is a deep copy on it. Append 7 to the value of key C, and you have changed the deep copy, but not the original dictionary.